So now let's see how we can apply the Vectorize Bitmap option inside a Photopea. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around onto the image menu right here, and then you can see that Vectorize Bitmap is an option right here. If I were to go around over here, then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So over here on the left hand side, you got the original image, and on the right hand side, you got the vectorized image right here. You can enable and disable the reduce noise option right here, just like this, and then around over here, you can change around the colors right here, just like this. So if I were to go around type in 10, then this is what you have, as you can see. Apart from that, you can go for the cartoon look right here, just like this, or you can merge up the colors as well, or you can unmerge it out right here, just like this. You can go around and choose these options, or you can go for photo right here, turn it like onto a coloring book right here, just like this, or go for more of a polygonal look. So I can go around, go for more polygonal look right here, and change around the roughness right here, just like this, by changing around the level of detail right here as well. So you can see that that is what you have, and you can also go around and merge up the colors or disable the merging out right here, so it's not merged out, and you can see that it is more like polygon right here. So now if I were to go around and press OK right here, just like this, then it will be applied just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can utilize the Vectorize Bitmap effect inside a Photopea. So if you guys learned something, as always, and you can see that each of them has been divided into parts right here, just like this, into vectors right here, just like this as well, that you can individually edit. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.